I'm out on my Brompton G Line next to the River Irvine, and we have some mallard ducks there. It's a beautiful spot, and look at this. But what I'm going to talk about just now is a couple of things with the Brompton. And main thing is about the saddle. I've mentioned before, maybe in my previous videos, about having problems with my perineum, getting a lot of pain, and I've tried noseless saddles and different width saddles, gel saddles, and this time I've spent, I can't remember, it's about £60 on this HugeOaks. Funny that it's not oaks, I think this is old willow, but HugeOaks saddle, and it's a variable width. See that? You can actually change the width underneath. And I found on my first ride out of about 5 or 6 miles is that I can really feel my sit bones. Now I'm quite skinny and I have got it fairly wide, so I can feel my sit bones, but I don't feel the same pressure on my perineum. Now I have tried saddles with a cutout, and they've not really worked, but this one seems to be okay. So it's a kind of compromise really. Pain on the sit bones and none on the perineum, which I believe I can get used to. But what I might do is, I have got a gel seat cover that I'll try on this, and still get the benefit hopefully of the cutout, but relieve some pressure on the sit bones. But overall I think it's quite a good investment, because really I was thinking of giving up any distance cycling. So distance to me is about, say, 14 miles, and after that I'm suffering the next day. So that's the saddle. The other thing I'm really pleased with is this alarm. You can get this on Amazon, and you can set the alarm with a quick press, and then it will confirm that that's a little confirmation. And now it's got a little warning, or if you really shake it, yeah, okay. Now what you do is normally set the alarm and then just remove that fob like that, and leave it set. So that's pretty good. And the other thing is this bell is a particularly good bell that has a long resonance. Is that the word? I think there's another word for it. The bar end mirror, I think I've done a video on that before, and I've been experimenting with different bottles in the bottle cage that I've got. That's a two peak, and it's got an adjustable width on there, goes out and in. And the bag that I've got is a BIRDP, so although it's got the Brompton logo, it's not an actual Brompton one, I believe, and I'm quite pleased with that. It goes on and off very easily, and it's not too expensive. The other thing I was thinking about is a side stand which won't interfere with the fold. Now obviously in a lot of occasions you just swing the wheel underneath, but if you just want to quickly stop like I do to take pictures of nature, a little side stand might be handy. So if you've done any upgrades or changes on your Brompton, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you're not already, please subscribe. Cheers.